You can create an AI avatar of yourself, turn a photo into a talking video, generate a complete script from a single prompt, translate your existing content into tons of different languages, and test hundreds of different AI presenters, all without paying for HeyGen. But the free plan does have its limits, and because different tools inside of HeyGen have different allowances, it's not always obvious what you can actually use, what counts towards your monthly videos, and what requires an upgrade. So in this video, I'm gonna walk through everything that's currently included in HeyGen's free plan, and I'll even show you how to start using the most important features. No paid subscription and no credit card required, just a free HeyGen account and a few ideas you want to turn into videos. At the time of recording, the standard free plan includes up to 3 videos a month, with each video up to a minute long. You can create videos in more than 30 languages, and you can even share the link to others in 720p. You can also choose from more than 500 stock avatars, create one custom digital twin, and generate up to 3 video agent videos a month. And some limits can vary by region, and also the free version does include HeyGen branding on your videos. But this is still enough to test almost every major part of the platform and create actually finished content. So let's start with the easiest way to make your first video. When you first open HeyGen, you do not need to build yourself an avatar before you can create anything. The free plan gives you access to more than 500 stock avatars, so you can just choose from a presenter that already exists and start building immediately. There's different presenters, outfits, camera angles, visual styles, and backgrounds to choose from. And once you select one, you can type and paste your script and choose an available voice. For example, I can create a short welcome video that says, "Welcome to HeyGen." You can test the full workflow before deciding whether you want to upgrade. You can also preview the voice, adjust the script, change the presenter, and even build the video scene by scene. You can also add text, images, backgrounds, supporting footage, and any other visual elements inside of the editor. So even with the free plan, you are not limited to creating an avatar on a blank background. You can create a fully complete video with an avatar, supporting visuals, and a finished layout.
Hi there, I'm Annie, and welcome to HeyGen, where we make professional video creation as easy as typing a script.
But now you're also not limited to HeyGen stock presenters. The free plan also gives you one custom digital twin slot. Inside HeyGen, just go to the left sidebar and click avatars. Then head over to the top right and click create avatar. From here, you're gonna wanna choose to clone a real person. And this is what we call a digital twin. A digital twin is a lifelike AI avatar of you, created using only 15 seconds of footage. You film yourself once, then HeyGen uses that avatar to deliver new scripts without you filming each individual video. For the best result, use clear lighting, keep the camera stable, speak naturally, and make sure your face and your body are easy to see. You'll also need to complete HeyGen's consent process just to confirm that you have permission to create and use the avatar. And once the avatar is processed, it becomes available inside your account. You can select yourself just like any other presenter. That means you could write a script tomorrow, choose your digital twin, and create another video, all without setting the camera back up. And now, although the free plan does limit you to just one digital twin slot, that one slot can support different looks. So the same avatar does not always have to appear in the same outfit and against the same background, because now avatar looks lets you change how your avatar is presented. So one digital twin can appear in an office for a business video, a studio for a social post, or a more casual setting for a content creator. The important part is that the identity always stays consistent. The only thing that's changing is the presentation. You can actually describe and prompt a specific look that you want. You can also choose an already generated option, or even upload an existing image connected to that avatar. Now I have another version of that same presenter, all without recording another avatar from scratch. And now there is actually another option for avatars that you have access to on the free plan. That's called a photo avatar. Instead of uploading a full video recording, you can start with just one still image. That could be a photo of yourself, a character you designed, a product mascot, or another image that you have permission to use. You can either upload the image or generate a new character from a description you give. Then you can just add the script that you want it to deliver. HeyGen can animate the face, synchronize the mouth with the audio, and add expressions and natural movement. So now the still image becomes a realistic speaking presenter. And the free plan currently includes up to 3 photo avatar slots. That gives you enough room to test multiple different characters, or create a few different presenters for different styles of content. And depending on the avatar that you choose, HeyGen can use its newest avatar models to make the performance feel more realistic and expressive. These models can add more natural facial expressions, head movements, body language, and gestures. For photo avatars and virtual characters, HeyGen may use Avatar 4, and for realistic human digital twins, HeyGen may use Avatar 5. And you can also use the motion instructions with supported workflows. And this is just to give HeyGen more direction on the kind of output that you're looking for. Instead of only telling the avatar what to say, you can describe how the avatar actually delivers the line. The free allowance for these advanced models is more limited, so this is just something I would use for a short hook, an introduction, or the most important section of a video, rather than wasting it on a test you didn't plan to keep. And now we can get to one of the most useful things that's available for free, Video Agent. There's two main different ways that you can actually build a video inside of HeyGen. You can create it manually, scene by scene, choosing the presenter, adding supporting visuals, typing the text, and arranging everything yourself. Or you can use Video Agent. Video Agent is incredibly useful because instead of building every scene manually yourself, you give HeyGen the goal, the topic, the script, and the visual direction, and it assembles the whole video for you. For this example, I'm gonna create a short video explainer. Let's make it about 3 different ways to stay productive while working from home. I could enter, create a short vertical video explaining 3 ways to stay productive while working from home. Use a friendly and practical tone, use clean home office visuals, simple on-screen text, and light supporting B-roll. Keep the final video under 1 minute. Video Agent can help develop the script, break the idea into scenes, add supporting visuals, and create the first version of your video. Then I can go ahead and review what it created.
Working from home can be a challenge. Here are 3 simple ways to stay productive.
I can change the avatar, edit the script, replace any visuals, and adjust the layout before even generating the final version. Video Agent is giving you a much faster starting point, but you should still review it like any other normal piece of content. And once everything looks right, you can go ahead and click generate, and HeyGen's gonna process the final video for you in the background. And depending on your country, free accounts can create up to 3 Video Agent videos a month, with some regions limited to 1. This is definitely the easiest way to use your free allowance without spending your entire time learning the editor first. But now the free plan also supports translation into over 30 different languages. That means the script doesn't even have to be in English. This could be useful if you run an international business, you want to teach different audiences, create region-specific social content, or you simply want to test how your message works in another market.
Hoy te mostraré todas las funciones gratuitas de HeyGen.
And this is very different from video translation because here you're creating a brand new avatar video built from a script written in that target language. But now what if you already have a finished video? You can test HeyGen's video translation tool. Just upload the original video, choose the language you want to translate it into, and HeyGen can recreate that dialogue into the language. Instead of only adding subtitles, the tool can generate translated speech to preserve the speaker's style and even synchronize the new audio with the movement of their mouth. So a video originally recorded in English could become a Spanish, French, German, or another supported language video, all without you recording the entire performance again, or even knowing that language.
Working from home can be a challenge. Here are 3 simple ways to stay productive. Trabajar desde casa puede ser un reto. Aquí hay 3 formas simples de ser productivo.
And depending on your country, the free plan lets you create up to 3 translated videos a month. So use those translations on videos you actually want to repurpose for a different audience. And now once your video is actually finished, you can open up the project and review the results. Free videos are limited to the free plan's quality limit, which is 720p, and they include HeyGen's branding. Now you can also create a broad shareable HeyGen link, which lets somebody watch the video before you ever upload it to another platform. So what's the catch? Well, the free plan is made for testing and exploration. It is not designed for somebody creating unlimited videos every week. Your regular videos are limited. They can only be up to a minute each. Processing has standard priority, and the final results include HeyGen branding on it. You also don't receive all of the features available on the paid plans. Features like downloading your videos, access to longer videos, higher resolution exports, watermark removal, the complete language and dialect library, access to more credits, and higher production limits. All of these will require an upgrade, but by no means does that make the free version useless. It just means you should use it strategically. If I were opening a HeyGen account for the first time, this is exactly what I would do. First, I would explore the stock avatars and make one simple video, just so I can get an understanding of the editor. Second, I would create my custom digital twin, because that's going to give me a reusable presenter based on myself. Third, I would create 1 or 2 additional looks, so the avatar can fit in any type of content that I want it to. Fourth, of course, I would use Video Agent. This is to see how quickly I can turn an idea into a finished video. And lastly, I would test photo avatars and video translations. These two do depend on the type of content you want to make though. But by the end of this process, you'll know whether HeyGen fits in your workflow, what type of avatar you prefer, and which features are actually worth paying for. But let's recap really quickly. With HeyGen's free plan, you can create videos with hundreds of stock avatars, build one custom digital twin of yourself, create multiple photo avatars, test more expressive avatar models, build complete videos with Video Agent, create content in more than 30 languages, translate existing videos, edit your your projects, and even share the results with others. There is limits, but this is by no means a demo where you can only click around the dashboard. But everybody, that is going to be a wrap for today. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications so you never miss an upload from us. And let us know down in the comments below, what's your favorite HeyGen feature?